Hello students, you all are welcome in our English grammar class for class 7th. Today we will do the rest of exercise of past tense and the past continuous tense. In previous lecture we have done exercise number 1 and 2. Today we will do the exercise number 3 and the further exercise. Okay. So exercise number 3 is complete these sentences with the correct form of the verbs in the bracket. So I contacted Sunita yesterday but she was not home. So here B means to be's form and past tense का to be's form क्या क्या है was and were. तो present tense का प्रेजेंट टेंस का टू बीज फॉर्म क्या है एम इज एंड आर. सो वेन एवर यू सी हियर इन ब्रैकेट बी सो द आंसर विल बी वॉज और वर. यू हैव टू सी द प्रोनाउन. देयर इज अ सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन और प्लूरल. वी हैव टू राइट हियर वॉज एंड वर in the base of pronouns is given in the sentence. Okay, so here she is a singular person, so we will write was. Was is to be's form of past tense. To be's form of past tense are was and were. Okay, and contact, it's became contact because we are writing here past tense form. Then Rekha bracket is go to very interesting inter school debate last week. So here go will come as a second form of the verb went. बराबर. go का past form क्या होता है went. रेखा went to a very interesting inter school debate last week. Then I dash meet an old friend of mine while I dash travel to Ludhiana 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago means it's a past form, past tense sentence. Okay, and meet will become met, the second form of the verb V2. So I met and the another dash will come travel. I was traveling. This one is continuous past tense sentence. So while I was traveling will come as our answer. Then I blank dash sing when the music director blank call me. So sing will come here as a continuous past tense. I was singing when the music director called me. जब मुझे म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर ने बुलाया कॉल्ड तब मैं गा रहा था, कुछ गा रहा था. सो फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज एज अ कंटिन्यूअस पास्ट टेंस एंड सेकेंड फॉर्म इज एज अ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. देन डैश यू डैश नो वेयर विजय लिव्स. सो यू कैन मेंशन, you can see here it's a present tense sentence because it is written here lives, not lived. Okay, so it's a present tense sentence. So we will write here do you know, because as a interrogative sentence in present tense we will use do and does. You know about that. And with you, with a pronoun you, we are using do. Okay, with he, she and it we are using does. So with you we are using do. That's why the answer is come here. Do you know? Do you know where is Vijay lives? He said. The second sentence is in past tense. Okay, he said that he dash come back home today. So today is indicate the present tense. Okay, so this sentence is going in continuous present tense. He said that he was coming back home today. Okay, then Sudha dash talked to Priya on the phone when the doorbell dash. So the first sentence is in continuous past tense and second sentence is in, yes, simple past tense. Same way as this sentence. This sentence, whenever we see when is indicate the past tense. Okay, Sudha was talking to Priya on the phone when doorbell rang. जब, when means जब डोरबेल बजा तब सुधा क्या कर रही थी, बातें कर रही थी. तो सुधा was talking when the doorbell rang. Okay, Priya was not tired, so she tired. Priya was not tired, so she read an interesting novel instead. So here in negative form of the sentence in simple past tense, was will come with Priya. Priya is a singular person, so was will come. And not, we are using not as a negative sentence, so Priya was not tired will come as our answer. Mr. Gupta teach us geography in school when I dash be a student. Be माने टू बीस फॉर्म, और टू बी का फॉर्म क्या है भूतकाल में, वॉज एंड वर्ब. ओके, सो मिस्टर गुप्ता टॉट अस, सिखाते थे जियोग्राफी इन अवर स्कूल व्हेन आई वाज अ स्टूडेंट. ओके, विथ आई वी आर यूजिंग वाज. Then our exercise number 4 is complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in the box. These are the verbs in a present form. We are using here as a simple past tense and past continuous tense. Okay, Revati, I was getting ready to go to school. First sentence is in continuous past tense. When I saw the sky suddenly change color. जब मैं स्कूल जा रही थी तब मैंने देखा कि स्काई का कलर चेंज हो गया है. सो देखा. आई वॉज स्कैर्ड, मैं डर गई थी. आई वॉज स्कैर्ड. सो आई रन विल come here as a ran as a second form of the verb. I ran to my parents room. मैं मेरे मम्मी पापा के रूम की तरफ भागी, ran. I was driving home from the airport after dropping my brother. Here Jacob is saying I was driving home from the airport after dropping my brother. Here was driving continuous past tense. I dash a loud bang as another car dash into mine. I heard, here is became here heard as a second past tense form. I heard a loud bang as another car crashed. Here crash is given as a simple present tense form, so we are using as a second form of the verb crashed in this sentence into mine. Ali says I dash my dog on the beach. I was walking, मैं चल रहा था with my dog on a beach. When he suddenly started barking, उसने भौंकना स्टार्ट किया, started barking. I felt that something was wrong. So here feel will come here as a second form of the verb felt. I felt that something was wrong. I decided to find out. Decide will is given here. We are using the second form of the verb. Decide is decided to find out. And this another exercise number 5 is complete this conversation. Here we are using past simple past tense and past continuous tense. So you have to remind it that we are using past form of the verbs. Okay, so first one is a question mark. What we are using in question mark? Did. Yes, then subject, then main form of the verb. With did we are not using past tense form. With did we are using main form of the verb, because did is here, D is already given, so did is already past form. So in a sentence the both will not come together. Okay, so already it's a did, ये भूतकाल में लिखा हुआ है तो दूसरा जो वर्ब है वो दूसरी बार भूतकाल में नहीं आता, इसीलिए इसको हम मेन बेस ऑफ द फॉर्म मतलब वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म में इसको लिखते हैं डिड के साथ। डिड यू विजिट, क्या आपने विजिट ली द कुतुब मीनार व्हेन यू वर इन दिल्ली? आशा सेड। अगर डिड से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछे तो हम उसका आंसर डिड से ही देते हैं। नो, नो आई डिडंट, नो आई डिड नॉट। देन गोपाल सेज आई डैश यू एट 8 o'clock बट योर फोन वॉज एंगेज्ड। मैंने आपको फ़ोन किया था मतलब कॉल्ड, आई कॉल्ड यू। वूम डैश टॉक टू, आपने किससे बातें की थी तो वूम वर यू टॉकिंग, आप किससे बात कर रहे थे तो वूम वर यू टॉकिंग। अन्ना सेज आई वॉज टॉकिंग माई ग्रैंड मदर, इट्स अ बर्थडे टूडे तो आई वॉज टॉकिंग इट्स कंटिन्यूअस पास्ट टेंस सेंटेंस। Naina says, Naina, stop shouting. Stop is indicate the present tense and we are talking about present continuous tense. So stop shouting. Will you? Noor says, but I wasn't shouting. It was Tina. It's a negative form of the sentence. So we are using I. With I we are using was, then not, and then ing form of the sentence. But I was not shouting, it was Tina. Then exercise number 3 is work in a pair. Begin a sentence each as so in these examples. Student A, Rahul was sleeping when. Student B, Preetha was having her dinner when. These exchange your notebooks, your imagination, the complete this second part of the sentence using suddenly. Okay. For example, one is saying Rahul was sleeping when suddenly he heard the key turn in the lock. Student second is saying Preetha was having her dinner when suddenly the door opened. So आपको यहाँ पे suddenly का यूज़ करके एक पैराग्राफ बनाना है, बराबर, जो स्ट्रेंज होगा एंड हैपन टू यू, आपके साथ अचानक होता है जो एक एक्सीडेंट मतलब कोई एक हैपनिंग, तो आपको यहाँ पे वो लिखना है। यू कैन बिगिन लाइक दिस, वन मॉर्निंग आई वॉज वॉकिंग टू माई स्कूल, आई सो द स्कूल बस गोइंग अवे एट द ग्रेट स्पीड, I was late for the school bus. I ran toward the bus shouting for them to stop. The conductor saw me running, stopped the bus and laughed. Then I woke up. It was just a daydream. Okay, so you can make your own experience or your own imagination over here as your answer. Thank you.